Welcome to Recraft Fundamentals. Today we're exploring outpainting, the easiest way to expand any image beyond its original borders. Start by dragging and dropping your image onto the canvas. Double-click it and a resizable frame will appear. Drag the gray bars to extend the frame, adjust the size, or change the aspect ratio. If you have a specific look in mind, add a short prompt to guide the expansion. You can leave it blank, but adding a hint gives you more control over the final look. Finally, click Expand and watch Recraft seamlessly fill in the new space. Use it to adjust the aspect ratio, for example, turning a portrait shot into a wide banner. Or simply expand the borders to give your image more room to breathe. Experiment with different prompts to get the look you want. Just keep in mind that the larger the expansion, the more unpredictable the results may become. Hope this was helpful. Follow for more Recraft tutorials and tips to level up your design workflow.